I'm Jennifer for Women's Choice Reviews, and I'm reviewing this GE 36-inch French door refrigerator. This refrigerator is approximately 36 inches wide by 36 inches deep by 70 inches tall. It is deeper than a typical kitchen counter, so it will stand out somewhat. Always check the dimensions of the refrigerator against the space where you will place it to be sure of the fit. And always leave adequate space behind and above for air to circulate. Also, check the size of the doorways the unit will have to pass through to get it into your kitchen. With total capacity of 25.8 cubic feet, this unit is about average for the 36-inch French door units we've evaluated, and the freezer is significantly larger than average. It is one of the less expensive French door refrigerators on a cost per cubic foot basis, with its MSRP of $2,199. This GE came to $85 per cubic foot, whereas the average was about $120. It is important to note that some refrigerators are more deeply discounted than others, which can complicate this comparison. This unit has interior door bins for gallon-sized containers, a water and ice dispenser on the door, a nicely partitioned freezer, versatile and flexible shelving, and bright LED lighting. A full-width, temperature-controlled pantry drawer is nice, but requires you to open both doors to access its contents. A turbo cool feature can quickly chill the entire unit. Although 82% of owners give this model 4 or 5 stars, some do complain about the noise it makes. This is not universal, as others say it is quiet, so there may be issues with quality control or installation. Another common complaint is the limited capacity of the space-saving ice maker. The stainless steel finish is criticized for showing fingerprints, whereas the slate finish is complimented for not showing them. This refrigerator is made in the USA, and it comes in white, black, or for a little more, slate or stainless steel.